Squish, it's okay. Easy. Look.
Squish. Squeeze. Squeeze. Oh, it's the dog that's pissing her off. Come here.
It's okay. It's okay.
Squish.
Wishies. Wish, wish. Wish, wish.
Hi, Rome. Kitty, kitty. I mean, what do you call it? Birdie, birdie, birdie.
Romeo. Here. Hi. Where's your bird, huh? Where's your bird?
You gotta turn her face around because she's so dark I can't see her.
It's okay. What's up? It's okay, honey. Oh, it's okay.
Hi, Rome. Look at him. Extreme close-up. Whoa, whoa. Hi, Rome. Extreme close-up. Whoa. I got an extreme bird close-up going on. Whoa, whoa. Hi. Why are you trying to eat me? Don't eat me.
You want your fingernails?
I like my fingernails. He's trying to eat my fingernails, Lynn. Whoa, whoa, that's an eyeball. Oh, shit, that's a bird eyeball.
Come here, Ron.
No.
Oh, Squish. It's okay, honey.
It's a birdie eyeball.
Come here, Ron. Come see Kitty. Oh.
Extreme close-up.
Come here, Ron.
Whoa.
Hi, Squish. No, it's okay. Kiss, kiss.
She might bat him.
Kiss, kiss.
Just know that.
Okay. It's okay, honey. He's a baby. He likes you. Hi, kitty. Hi, Ro. Kiss, kiss.
Birdie, 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 birdie. Birdie, 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 birdie.
Kiss, kiss. Hi, kitty, kitty.
Ow. Oh, sometimes. Whoa, she's getting more mad? Oh, because he's on her. Oh, she don't like that at all.
It's okay, Squish. It's okay.
It's okay, Squeezy Squish.
Okay.
Big pussy. Uh-oh, watch this. This is going to be funny now because she's already mad. Poor kitty cat.
Here, she didn't know what to do, huh? She doesn't know what to do.
I get a good feeling.